What's up, everybody? Hope you all's having a great week. Wanted to hop on here and go over a few things. I got 3 topics I want to touch on real quick. First one being end of the year build orders. Based off what the next order that comes in is, depending on the size of the order, complexity of the order, it'll probably close out 2023's build schedule. And I got a couple orders also that were placed a while back that had some changes in the timelines, and I'll be building them this fall as well. So pretty much closing out 2023's build schedule. So the next order that comes in, we'll get a year-end special pricing. That'll close out everything for 2023, and we'll start taking orders for 2024. Also, this little trailer I built here a couple weeks ago has become available for sale. Status changed on that order with the customer, and it is available right now. That don't happen very often with Tried and True, that something pops up just for sale, but with the rooftop tent, with the 2 totes, 38-inch totes, has an articulating lock and roll hitch, $5,000 out the door with all that, or $3,500 without the tent. And that's just our demo tent. It's been used 3 times. We kind of put it on stuff for pictures and stuff like that, but nothing wrong with the tent, good shape there. So if you're interested in that trailer, hit me up, it is ready to go. It also has a 1/4-inch thick pad on the deck, just to help things won't them slide around. It's got tie down points all over it. Pretty slick little beginner trailer. Let's see. So also, I'm looking to make some changes in 2024, so I'm just going to throw this out there for anybody that might be really into this Overland world and understands it and wants to sit down for some conversations. I'm opening myself up to some sit downs to see what could be done possibly as far as taking this thing to the next level. 3 years in now, I could keep rolling with the status quo, or I could dig in even deeper and just knock this thing out of the park. And so I've been trying to kick around some ideas in my head as far as what that looks like. And I don't really know what that looks like, to be honest, but just thought I'd throw it out there that you guys that follow the page, if there's somebody that has some ideas, I think in the right combination of hands and players, and I think this thing could be bigger than what it is, and I think we could do a lot more to help some people as well. So if you have any interest in that, reach out and contact me. We'll talk about it, kick some ideas around. Who knows, man? So just open myself up for some conversations to see what could be possible. That being said, last order gets a good price, or the next order gets a good price, man. It'll be a December build, maybe into January, depending on how things roll out. And then we'll be taking orders for 2024. Appreciate you guys. Stay cool. This heat is ridiculous. It's been about 105 in this shop lately, but we're getting it done. So appreciate you guys. Thank you.